News home more from rock news. The Sex Pistols' one and only album Never Mind The Bollocks. Here's the Sex Pistols is being reissued to celebrate its 40th anniversary. Released on Friday 27 October via USMUMC, the reissue is a budget-priced, smaller-sized edition of the now-out off-bronze Super Deluxe edition from 2012. It comes complete with 3 CDs consisting of the original studio album with 1977 sides, a disc of outtakes and 1 disc of 1977 live material. On top of this, there's a DVD featuring 1977 footage of the band playing live from the infamous boat party held on the River Thames, London, the Winter Gardens, Penzance and Cornwall and the Happy House, Stockholm, Sweden. The whole lavish package comes with a 48-page hardback book with text from music journalist Pat Gilbert alongside rare images from photographers Bob Gruen, Barry Plummer, John Tabarry and Dave Wainwright. The full track listing is as follows: Disc 1, Never Mind The Bollocks 1. Holidays in the Sun 2. Bodies 3. No Feelings 4. Liar 5. God Save the Queen 6. Problem 7. 17-8. Anarchy in the UK 9. Submission 10. Pretty Vacant 11. New York 12. EMI Disc 2, Studio Rarities Dave Goodman Demos Chris Thomas Demos Outtakes Studio Rarities B-Sides 1. No Feeling B-Side of Withdrawn God, Save the Queen on Records 2. Did You Know Wrong B-Side of God Save the Queen 3. No Fun B-Side of Pretty Vacant 4. Satellite B-Side of Holidays in the Sun Dave Goodman Demos 5. New York Demo Version 6. Unlimited Edition Demo Version of EMI 7. Liar Demo Version 8. Pretty Vacant Demo Version 9. Problems Demo Version 10. No Future Demo Version of God Save the Queen Chris Thomas Demos Outtakes 11. Did You Know Wrong Alternative Vocal 12. 17 Alternative Vocal 13. Satellite Rough Mix 14. Submission Rough Mix 15. Holidays in the Sun Rough Mix 16. EMI Rough Mix 17. 17 Rough Mix 18. Holidays in the Sun Alternative Mix 19. Body Demo Version of Bodies 20. Submission Alternative Mix 21. Belson was a gas demo version Disc 3 1977 Live Trondheim, Studenter Samfundet Norway 1. Anarchy in the UK 2. I Wanna Be Me 3. 17-4. New York 5. EMI 6. No Fun 7. No Feelings 8. Problems 9. God Save the Queen Happy House, Stockholm, Sweden 10. Anarchy in the UK 11. I Wanna Be Me 12. 17-13. New York 14. EMI 15. Submission 16. No Feeling 17. Problems 18. God Save the Queen 19. Pretty Vacant 20. No Fun Disc 4 DVD 1977 footage Riverboat Party, River Thames, London 1977 1. Pretty Vacant 2. Anarchy in the UK 3. Problems Happy House Stockholm, Sweden 1977 4. Anarchy in the UK 5. I Wanna Be Me 6 17-7. New York 8. Problems 9. No Fun Winter Gardens, Penzance, Cornwall 1977 10. Problems 11. No Fun 12. Anarchy in the UK promo videos 13. Good Save the Queen 14. Pretty Vacant 15. Holidays in the Sun Rock On interview 16. John and Sid interview more from rock news.